It's noon right now. I'm still in my tent. Anna and Pablo are still in their tent, and it's raining outside, and that's why we're still in our tents. Just kind of waiting for the rain to stop so we can pack up and go, but I think we're both just waiting. First day in Sweden is off to a slow start. Hey! It's raining!
It's raining a lot.
I know.
I think in 2 hours,
Yeah?
maybe stop a little bit.
Okay. Hey, hippie. How are you? Yep. So Pablo just said he has internet on his phone. I don't have internet yet. He just said he thinks in 2 hours it'll stop raining. So around 2 o'clock maybe we'll pack up and go. So I'm almost out of water. I have like no water left. So I'm hoping that we can go relatively soon, but we'll see. So it's well after 2 p.m. now. It's really windy, as you can hear. The rain has finally stopped, so we're getting out of our tent, packing up, and getting ready to go. It's my second day of riding with Pablo and Anna and our dog Hippie. It's our first full day cycling in Sweden. We're hoping to cover about 60 kilometers today, so we'll see how far we get. Right now, Pablo and Anna are way behind me. Pablo has quite a hard time keeping his balance in the wind. His bike is so big, heavy, and he's got that dog in the back that shakes the balance. So, I'm just waiting for him now, but man, it's windy. How much further you want to go today? Like 10 kilometers or something?
Yes.
Nice little stream running along the road here. I mean, this is why I like places like Sweden. The fact that there's nature. You're a good actor. Yeah. Give me a little bit more adventurous. There we go. Dun 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 dun. What do we got tonight? Rice and veggies? Yeah, that is a lot of rice. That's a lot.
Zucchini, pepper.
Paprika,
This is mushrooms.
Yeah.
mushrooms, lettuce and onion. And
Onion, garlic, and rice.
Can't see you over there. Yeah. Alright, this is my last video of the day. Showing us eating.
You later. Sorry.
Peperoncino.
Almost.
She need the clothes,
Oh,
official clothes.
really? There's official clothing?
Yeah.